Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today I have the long awaited Van Cleef and Arpels Malachite bracelet in the 5 motif. It's finally here, guys. So I placed this order sometime in December last year, and of course it wasn't available in store, so my SA had to place the order for me. It took about 2.5 weeks for the order to arrive at the boutique. And when it did finally arrive at the boutique, I wanted it sized. And guess what? It took another 2.5 weeks for this to finally get to me. So I got this sometime last month. I just haven't had the chance to do the unboxing yet. I've been down with the flu for a few weeks, and my daughter, of course, she goes to school. She comes back home and then gives us whatever it is she got in school. She gets better, go back to school again, and she gets the whole cold, flu, virus or whatever, brings it home and spread the love to every one of us at home. So it is the season though. I just feel so bad for her because she's always so miserable. So I'm finally getting the chance to do the unboxing, so let's get to it. I'm so excited to do the unboxing with you guys. I haven't opened it yet to see what it looks like, but I've just seen it. Like when my SA got it, she was nice to send me photos of it. Now I did request that I wanted the travel pouch instead of the box that it comes in, because I believe you can either get the travel pouch or the box, but I don't know what this is going to come in. I just hope it's the travel pouch because that's so convenient for me and I can easily travel with that and take it along with me, because the box is a little bit bulky. Now, it would have been nice if they gave you both of them. I've seen some videos where some of the YouTubers that reviewed this bracelet actually had both. So I'm not sure why I'm not able to get both. But anyway, maybe next time I go there, I would actually request for it. I'll purchase it even if I have to, because I really like the travel pouch. Now, let me stop rambling and let's get to the unboxing. We all know it comes in this box, and let's get to opening it. Guys, I don't know what oops. Thank God I didn't knock out the camera. What fell off? Oh, let me get that real quick. Yes. So this is the booklet. Guys, like I was going to say, I don't know what I'm going to do with all these boxes. It's becoming a whole lot of them. And I don't know. I'm not just one to store all these boxes, but we'll see. Eventually, I might have to get rid of them. But for the meantime, I'm still keeping it. I'm not one to kind of keep my boxes. Like my shoe boxes, I never keep them. I just get rid of them right away, because what am I keeping them for? And so this is the booklet. And let's see. It's probably the authenticity card in here. Yes, the authenticity card, as we all know, it comes like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got excited. I thought it was a travel pouch. Oh, but I think this is the cleaning kit. So I've heard that they've been giving out cleaning kits recently. So I'm glad that this was in there, because I wasn't sure if I was going to get one. And I was like, definitely, if I don't get one, I will have to tell my SA that I need one. So I'm so happy that she included this in there. So it comes with this brush. And on the brush, I guess it just has the VCA logo on it. And what else is in here? There's no solution. Usually Cartier will give you like a cleaning solution. And I guess this is just the cleaning cloth. And what else is in here? It says cleaning kit. So this is what it looks like, the cleaning kit. And it comes in this little pouch. So I guess it's just the booklet, the cleaning cloth, and the brush. So that's nice that that was included, because I've never received one before. From some of the videos that I've seen on YouTube, I've heard you're supposed to just get one. I guess, I don't know if it comes with every purchase. It'll be nice if it comes as every purchase, but anyway, we'll see. If I make another purchase, we'll see if I get the cleaning kit. So what else comes in here? Let's see, I believe this will be my invoice. Yes, that's my invoice. It says the vintage Alhambra 5 motif bracelet. And yeah. Now let's get to the fun part. I can't wait to see what my bracelet looks like, guys. Now the malachite bracelet, as we all know, is very, very delicate. And you have to be very careful as to how you use this bracelet. I know a lot of people would love to have one, but just because of how delicate it is, they have to reconsider and get a totally different stone, which I get. I mean, you don't want to spend all this money on the bracelet and not be able to wear it as often as you want to. But I already own the 5 motif guilloche with the diamond, so I can wear that more and wear this probably occasionally. We'll see how that goes. Now my 5 motif guilloche, one thing I've noticed with that too, it does have some scratches on there. On the guilloche part of it, you can see very minor, like very fine hairline scratches on there. I don't know if it's because I wore it with my Cartier Love bracelet, but yeah, I don't know. I don't like seeing the scratches on that, but maybe next time I'll probably just have to wear it by itself without wearing it with the Love bracelet. We'll see how that goes. Okay, now this is how it comes. Oops, all packaged, and let's get to it. Now, I don't know if this is gonna be the travel pouch, because this looks like a box to me. Let's open it first and see. So this is how it comes. Oh, of course it's not the travel pouch. I was like, yeah, this doesn't look like a travel pouch package. It is the box. Well, I guess maybe next time I'll definitely let them know before I leave this boutique, I need this travel pouch. So yes, this is she. Now let's go ahead and open it up and see. Beautiful. I love it, guys. Just look at how vibrant this gear. Oops. Excuse me, guys. I'm dropping everything today. Okay. Yes. So just look at, I thought this was supposed to be, oh, of course it was not actually held in the elastic. That was why it came out easily. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Let me put all these boxes away. Look at how beautiful she is. Oh my goodness. Now I had it resized so that it wouldn't be too loose. Like Van Cleef can resize this for you free of charge. And I wish I could put it on so you can see. But once it's on, this is how it's going to look like. So guys, how does it look with my bracelet? I really love my, no, how does it look with my necklace? I really love my necklace, by the way, the Alhambra malachite necklace. So I did size this to like a size 17. I hope it's not too small for my wrist, but I don't think it will be. But usually when you have it sized, it's a little bit harder to put it on by yourself. So I'm gonna probably ask for some help to get this on. But once it's on, this is how it's gonna look. And I just love the color of the malachite stone. It's just so vibrant. And malachite stone, as we know, I think it stands for protection. So green is such a beautiful color. It's one of my favorite color. So wanted to get this to add to my jewelry collection. And now that I have the malachite and the guilloche with the diamonds, I think I'm okay with the Alhambra bracelet for now. The next piece that I probably will get from Van Cleef might be the necklace, the 10 motif necklace. I've been eyeing the guilloche 10 motif Alhambra necklace. That piece is stunning. I didn't get a chance to try it on the last time I was at the boutique, but I would definitely like to try it on, take some pictures of how it's gonna look, and then decide if I would want, if I really, really like it. Because, the bracelet is very expensive and you don't want to just blindly make that purchase and then you have it and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't really like it as much as I thought I would. So before making such purchase, I would definitely like to go into the boutique first, try it on and see how it looks on me. And if it fits into my style, we'll definitely, I don't know, maybe I might have to sell a kidney or something to add that to my collection, but we'll see. But this year, I don't really have a wish list when it comes. I wouldn't say I don't, because I do have a wish list for the 2025. You know how everyone is making their wish list videos. I think maybe purchase one handbag, and then I've been collecting Chanel pieces lately, vintage pieces, jewelry. So one day I will share my vintage Chanel little vintage Chanel collection with you. It's not a whole lot. I'm excited about that, so probably make a video about that one day. But yeah, for the wishlist 2025, I think I want to focus more on jewelry instead of handbags. We'll see how that goes. And I think I also have the Cartier Justin Cleef bracelet. I would love to add that to my collection. Hopefully we'll see if that happens this year. If not, there's always next year. I have the Justin Cleef ring, and oh my gosh, I love this ring so much. It'll be nice to complete it with the bracelet as well. Now the malachite bracelet I have, guys, this is so beautiful. I love it. Just look at how radiant the stones look, and I'm so happy to add this to my collection. And if you guys own any of the Van Cleef Alhambra collection, let me know how you guys love it. Let me know what stone you guys have. And if you're also thinking of getting it, yeah, hopefully this video will help you make up your mind as to getting this. But let me stop rambling and end this video now. That's all that I have for you guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're new to my channel, please kindly like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I drop my videos. I would really like to grow 2025, and hopefully I have something fun and exciting in store for you all this year. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.